Example number 12. A square prism with side of base 40 mm and axis 65 mm long is resting with its base on HP. Draw the projections of the prism when one of its rectangular faces is parallel to VP. The axis of prism is 40 mm in front of VP. So here the first thing to note is now it is a square prism. Earlier we were doing some problems on cone. Now we will solve some problems of square prism. Here you see that the dimensions of the square prism given are the base side 40 mm and the axis 65 mm long. And these two dimensions are enough to describe a square prism. And it is resting on the horizontal plane with its base. That means it is directly standing on the HP. And we have to draw its projections when one of its rectangular faces is parallel to VP. So this is one more point. And also the axis of the prism is 40 mm in front of VP. So the square prism is standing on the HP and it is 40 mm in front of VP. So we will see now how to imagine this first. Now this is a square prism. I will place this prism in our first quadrant like this. Now it is directly standing on the horizontal plane, the axis being perpendicular to the HP. But here you can observe that I can place this square prism in this fashions. Like I am rotating it, I can place this in this way also. I would have placed in this way also. But but in the given question, it is clearly mentioned that one of the rectangular faces is parallel to VP. What does that mean? So first I will make that parallel. This rectangular face is now parallel to VP. So when you view this from this side, you see that this rectangular face here is parallel to the vertical plane. This blue colored plane is vertical plane. So they are now parallel. So now when you view it from the top, there will be a simple square. Obviously it will be a square because it's a square prism. And when you see it from the front, when you see from front, there will be a rectangle because square prisms will have rectangular faces. Every prism will have rectangular faces. So the front view is a rectangle. Now we will see how to draw this in the drawing sheet.
First, we have to draw the top view because it is a regular shape of square of 40 mm. I have taken this 40 mm and 40 mm line and this 40 mm. This is 40 mm. Our top view is completed, rather very simple. And to get the center of this square prism, need to just draw its diagonals. This is your center point. And now I am taking some gap and I am drawing the XY line. And I am just projecting the lines arbitrarily. I am not taking any distance. And also the axis line. Axis line. As mentioned in the question, the axis height is 65 mm and it is resting on the horizontal plane. So we need to make sure that it is on the XY line because it's resting on the horizontal plane. So I am drawing from this side and the axis height is 65 mm. Just if we close this rectangle, our front view is completed. And as for the dimensioning part,
So this is the final solution of your square prism standing directly on the horizontal plane. Top view will be a square, 40 side, and the front view is a rectangle.